Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this gorgeous makeup look, and I would also be showing you guys how I curled my hair in this video. So it's a makeup tutorial and also my styling tutorial, hair styling tutorial. So I'm going to be starting with my eye makeup look. This look is actually one of my favorite to go look because it's so straightforward and everything I did for the eye makeup is self-explanatory. So I used the brown shade from the Huda Beauty mini obsession palette, and just that brown shade, guys, just that one shade. I used it as my transitional shade, and I went ahead and applied more of the eyeshadow on my lids, but blended it really well to create a seamless look for the lids. So when I'm done with that, I applied my primer. It's important that you apply primer before your foundation, but well, depending on you though. But as you guys can tell, it gave that flawless base. It serves as a flawless base for my foundation, and it gave that gorgeous glow to the skin. So yeah, I applied my concealer by MUA Pro Base. This is my first time using the concealer. I mean, I've heard a lot of reviews about the concealer and I thought, why not? For the price, it's a no-brainer. It's really affordable, and also you can easily compare it with some of the high-end ones, but it's just £8, I believe, or £6. I can't remember, but it's really affordable. I received some from Superdrug PR, but it's been a while. I just thought, you know what, let me try it. But it's not bad at all. Yeah, I like it. So yeah, for my contour, it's the same thing, same process, same procedure, and same products. You guys already know how much I love the Laura Mercier setting powder. Gosh, if you're the same skin tone as me, go ahead and buy the honey. The honey shade is the best. I've been using it for 3 months now, and this powder is not going anywhere. So yeah, and it suits my skin really well. It's so lightweight, and at the same time it gives that flawless look. So I applied the Pixie Beauty eyeliner. I think this is my best liner so far, because I realized when I use gel liners, I just have that black point underneath my eyes for some reason. So yeah, I showed you guys the what's it called, Colourpop PR that I received. So I used one of the lipstick from the PR. I can't remember what the name is called, but I promise I'll definitely leave the name on my Instagram description box. So if you're not following me on Instagram, feel free to follow me on Instagram on Thread. I actually downloaded that Thread, and I think it's like Twitter, isn't it? But I've not been using it yet because I don't know what to tweet. I used to be very good on Twitter. Not very good, but always so, you know, full on Twitter, but not anymore. And this Thread is like the same, so I use the same ID, Pretty Lily D, on Thread, on Instagram. But as for TikTok, it's Pretty Lily D with just one L as opposed to 2 L. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my videos, and also follow me on all social media platforms. So yeah, moving on to my hair, I actually applied the heat protection spray, brushed the hair to detangle, and then wrapped the hair around the wand away from my face. But this is different because I'm curling it in the wand, around the wand, as opposed to the previous curls that I've done in the past, whereby I had to like you know, use the color around it in a flat way, but with this one you just had to roll it around the wand. So yeah, to achieve that gorgeous voluminous wand look. Although this one is a color, to be fair, it's not a wand, so it does the same job. While I was filming the video, I was like, you know what, I don't want to stop the camera because I might as well just use the color that I used the previous day, because I actually filmed a video the day before. So I thought I'll just use that as a wand, and it worked really well. It's 25 mm, by the way, so yeah, easy peasy lemon squeezy. So I'm gonna do this part on camera and do the other part off camera. It's very easy, very straightforward, but just make sure you detangle the hair before coiling it, and make sure you apply heat protection spray on your hair, because you don't want to, you know, damage your wig or your natural hair with heat damage. So always protect your hair with heat protection spray. So depending on the texture of the hair, if the hair is actually, you know, maybe new or has moisture to it, or old, whatever it is, if it's dry, make sure you don't apply holding spray before coiling it. But if the hair still has moisture to it, then I always prefer to apply heat protection spray as well as a holding spray, because then you get a longer hold if you're not using a pin to hold the hair up. So yeah, I don't know if that makes sense, but what I'm basically saying is, depending on the texture of your hair, if the hair is dry and has no moisture to it, then just use your heat protection spray and curl the hair. But if the hair has moisture to it, for extra long hold, feel free to use the spray, holding spray. Apply it on the hair before coiling it. That's just my, you know, tip, because it works for me really well. I have my curls holding on for days, weeks. That's the secret behind it. I chose not to, you know, trim this hair or layer it, if that makes sense. I just curl the whole thing, but because lately I've been trimming, layering and all of those stuff. But yeah, for this one I just went ahead and just curled it and then combed it out, and then yeah, that's it. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Feel free to apply a holding spray at the end of your coils. I don't know what I'm saying, trust me. I mean, just spray holding spray. Yeah. So yeah, that's the finished look. What do you guys think? As you guys can tell, the volume is there, the curls are popping, and yeah. I'm still gonna be showing you guys the lipstick that I showed you earlier. I'm gonna do I did a swatch when I filmed this video, so I'm gonna edit it as well, but in a separate video, otherwise this video will be too long. That completes this look. So what you'll be seeing is just me showing off, bluffing, feeling myself and all. So yeah, the whole 1 minute just showing off myself. Oh god, Lillian. There's something about you creating a look and the looks come out really well. You want to show off, but most times what you guys don't realize is that sometimes we do film some videos that you just see, nah, the camera is not doing justice to this look. This look is given in real life, but the camera is not doing justice to them. I end up deleting such videos, so when it comes out really well on camera that I can see it, then I start feeling myself. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.